It's time for your motherfucking neighborhood Jesus Shades. You're watching Shades Wade.
What is good, guys? So I figured today what I'm gonna do, the wideband right here, I'm not gonna install the wideband altogether, but I am gonna mock up and drill a hole right here and get the gauge and the plugs and the wiring and everything good to go. Basically, here's our trim piece. Just went with a satin black. It's not perfect by any means, but I think it looks a hell of a lot better, you know? Really does. Because I was going to go silver. I tried that, didn't like it. I did even try red. I really didn't like that too much. So what we're going to do, we're going to mock up. Here's our gauge. Here is our O2 sensor loom. Gonna get that mocked up, get that through. And then here is our wires. So get everything through. Shouldn't be too bad. And everything else is just, you know, butt connectors and stuff like that. But yeah, let's get this fucker mocked up. First step, remove this so you'll be able to feed wires through easier. It'll probably make your life easier. Just four plugs, undo them. We're gonna either, this is pretty soft plastic. I mean, it's not like super soft, but it is pretty flexible. I'm gonna try with a drill bit, see how that gets me. If I can't score it up and get through, I'll heat it up and then take a knife and like hot knife it basically. But yeah, I think that's how we're gonna do it. All right, let's see if we can get this drill action going.
Thugged out from the get-go. What the wrong was right, had to get dough. Fuck a rap beef, you don't wanna diss ho. We gang bang cause you didn't get the memo. Just a field and a rep for the south side. Ate a foe to the death cause about mine. I ain't gotta prove shit, nigga been a G. Never worry about the next man's energy. Cause I steam on the rappers on my damn lane. And your bitch says she wanna give me mad brain. Everything that I do premeditated. If it don't feel right, I will never fake it. We just posted for the gram with a hashtag. You just wanna get some likes, I'ma get the bag. Better go live life, put the phone down. Social media make these bad people hot now. Spitting heavy, I don't think they ready. Cause these niggas dumb. Ed and Eddie. Fuck a job cause it was never steady. I remember I was trapping out my Chevy. Call me stupid cause I'd rather do this than to slave for nothing. Living check to check. Yeah. Hennessy and weed up on my breath. With this flow I'm still fresh to death. You better watch your step before the gun go flex. I say your bitch up in the club and say she want more sex. So give me sloppy toppy screaming la di da di. Then I wake up in the morning and I want more checks. I put my floor up on the beat, I put my foot on next. Got the hunger I'ma eat cause I'm up next. On a mission put my city in the map and tell it. I got my almighty nation tatted on my belly. When I deliver all this rhythm, oh what a feeling. I take advantage if I make it cause I'm sick of dealing. Why every beat I take it that I get the killing. Another soldier in this battle, ain't no time for chillin'. My lyrics bullets with the hollow, then they penetrate. You better watch who you follow, cause these niggas fake. Lyrics bullets with the hollow, then they penetrate. You better watch who you follow, cause these niggas fake. Now spitting heavy, I don't think they ready, cause these niggas dumb. Ed and Eddie. Fuck a job, cause it was never steady. I remember I was trapping out my Chevy. Call me stupid, cause I'd rather do this than to slave for nothing. Live a check to check. Yeah. Hennessy and weed up on my breath. With this flow, I'm still fresh to death.
Oh yeah. And as far as fishing it through the firewall goes, I mean, yeah, we'll get to it Friday, not tomorrow, but the next day. That's a little close on this shit. Only thing that's kind of, here, let's get you some light. She looks pretty fucking good, honestly. I think it looks kind of cool, you know, like, I mean, I know like the instrument or the climate control cluster is silver and it would look cool if it was silver, but there's just, you know, there's no way to match this paint. It's not a factory color, it's like a fucking trim piece. And this shit, you know, I mean, for the most part. Oh, damn, is that what cracked? Hold on. Or is that just a paint cracked? I'm not sure on that one. What I noticed was, come on, light, dude, this is why I fucking hate. Lighting is half the battle. See how, like, if you press right here, it gets all cockeyed, all caca, and you press it back. It's like it fits, like, kind of weird. I don't know, but I think it looks fucking fire. We'll get it wired up soon. Thanks for watching, guys, and be y'all.